guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just showing you basically what we do every morning for cleaning schedule, like my morning cleaning routine, I suppose. So we're gonna get into that today. Basically, we're just getting right into it now. Wyatt just went down for his nap, so I'm just gonna start with picking up all of his toys in the living room. I just cleaned it hardcore yesterday, a good vacuum, and picked everything up, got underneath it. So I'm really trying to keep this room tidy. He will come down and destroy it after, that's for sure. But I just wanted to get everything kind of picked up now. After that, we're moving on to the kitchen. I didn't do the dishes from last night. I got really lazy. We had a late dinner and just kind of conked out on the couch. So I'm just gonna clean that up now so that it's all fresh for the day. The reason we have 2 peanut butters is this one's almost done, so that one's ready to go. Have filled the sink up completely with hot water, so unless I want to burn my hands off, I'm not going to touch it right now. So those are going to soak for a little bit. We lost water over the weekend, so I've got this giant water jug. It leaked this morning, so I need to empty it and then I'm going to dry it out. We have like random water bottles everywhere, so I'm going to pick those up. Justin was in here this morning, so his clothes are everywhere, so just gonna kind of keep tidying up. Basically all I do all day. So now that the kitchen's kind of tidied up, still gotta let those dishes sit because they're gonna be so hot. I think I'm gonna make his food now. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop 30 scoops into here and then add this because I've just boiled it so it's nice and warm. So in case you guys are interested in knowing, Wyatt is on the Pure Amino A+ formula. It's for hypoallergenic. It's an amino acid based infant formula. So he's got a cow milk protein allergy. We spent 2 weeks in and out of hospitals. When he was born, he ended up losing like a pound. So he's on this formula. It's $800. for 12 of these tiny little things. So our Ontario health insurance plan covers it right now up until 1 year old. I need to give it to him until he's 2, says the doctor, so this should be interesting. I lied, the water is still way too hot. I'm going to open it up so it can cool down. This is all ready to go though. I just need to pour the water in and shake it up. I need to wash these still, and then I need to wash these bottles and then fill them. Just wanted to show you this really easy coffee recipe my girlfriend told me about. You go ahead and you make your regular coffee. So I put 2 small scoops of sugar in, and then I go ahead and put my creamer in. I use half and half, whatever like hot chocolate mix you have, and you just scoop in a scoop of that. Okay. And then you're going to stir it all together. I'm going to top mine with the cream. And I think it's like a cafe mocha. So I'm really excited to try this. And if you try it, let me know. So I'm going to go enjoy this, and then once that's done, I'm going to get the dishes done and Wyatt's bottles done. And I just heard him still kind of making a peep, so he's still kind of working himself to sleep. This happens to me all the time. I get everything done and then he falls asleep, and I basically can sit on my ass and do nothing. This is really good. It's definitely like a cafe mocha. I did also want to mention that since we ran out of wood, once these coals kind of burn down, I can empty this out and then clean up this whole area and have it all ready to go for when we get more this afternoon. Got his bottles all ready for the day, and his water's nice and cold for when he wakes up. you guys really enjoyed our cleaning routine. It's just kind of upkeeping all day with a baby. You know how that can be, and just trying to stay on top of everything, especially when they go for their naps. So that's really when I try to get everything done. And if you like it and want to see maybe our nighttime cleaning routine, give this a like and comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. My family is super cute. Yes, I'm bragging. And I try to post motivational stuff or just stuff that I'd want to see or things that'll help me out. So yeah, please stick around and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.